Welcome. If you want to improve Redmi 9A performance for smoother multitasking and a better gaming experience, these are 4 tips to improve Redmi 9A performance that you can do. First, enable the performance mode or game turbo. By default, Redmi 9A runs in balanced mode to provide enough performance for most tasks, while not draining the battery. It means if we activate game turbo or performance mode, the battery will drain faster. Enabling performance mode can be done by opening settings. Then tap on the battery menu. Enable the performance mode by touching the dot on the right. In the dialog window, approve by tapping the OK button. The second way to improve the performance of the Redmi 9A is to turn the animation off. To turn the animation off, we must activate the developer mode. To do this, open Settings. Tap on About Phone. Tap on All Specs. Then tap several times on the MIUI version, which you can find in this area, until you see words "You are now a developer." Continue by pressing the back button twice to return to the main settings menu. Scroll it up till you see the additional settings, then tap on it. Find and tap on Developer Options. Scroll it up until you find Windows Animation Scale. After you found it, turn the animation function off for Windows transition and on the animator. The third method to improve the performance of the Redmi 9A phone is to free up storage as much as possible. Start by uninstalling some apps or games that you no longer need. To uninstall an application or game, you can pinch the screen or you can tap on an empty screen area till edit mode appears. Select the application or game that you no longer need, then tap on Uninstaller button above. Now let's analyze which applications use the most storage space on this phone. I'll open Settings, About Phone, then Storage. As you can see here, apps or games and their data are the ones that take up the most storage space. I will show you the details by touching the Apps and Data menu. Here we can see which applications and games have the most data. Just clean game and applications data that you think not too important. For example, I consider the data in the Bilibili, YouTube, Shopee, and Firefox as unimportant data, so I will clear it. To clean data from an application, we can do it at the home screen by touching on the icon for a while till dialog appears. Tap on App Info. Tap on Storage. Then, delete the data by touching the Clear Data button at the bottom of the screen. Confirm by pressing the Clear All Data button. Okay. Do the same thing to the rest of the apps. Lastly, to improve Redmi 9A performance is by closing all apps that you have opened. Tap on Recent button, then close all apps to expand RAM space. After you do all those things now, this phone should run smoother and have more power to run games. That's all for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Feel free to leave a comment or suggestions. See you in the next videos.